In the heart of Finland, where ancient forests whisper of old gods and warriors, lies Porvoo. As dawn breaks, the cathedral stands tall, a beacon of resilience through centuries of battles and the enduring spirit of a nation forged in both legend and war. Beyond the river's calm, Porvoo's old town rises, a sanctuary of stories where Finland's past is etched in every cobblestone and timbered house. As the sun ascends, its golden light reveals a city that has endured through ages of change and conflict, standing resilient like the ancient warriors and gods who once roamed these lands. Here, history is not just remembered, it lives, breathing through the streets and shadows of this timeless place. This bridge, reaching from the heart of Porvoo across the river, is a thread in the tapestry of time. It carries with it the stories of those who have crossed before, binding the old with the new. In this quiet moment, it stands as a symbol of the unbroken connections that define this city, where history flows as steadily as the river below. Here, where the river flows in quiet harmony, Porvoo's soul is reflected in its waters. The river, a silent witness to centuries of life and change, mirrors the constancy of this city. Each ripple carries the echoes of history, reminding us that in Porvoo, time moves at its own pace, guided by the enduring spirit of the land. In these waters flows the spirit of Finland, undaunted, enduring. This is Sisu, the quiet strength that has carried a people through the darkest of times. As we move forward, we are reminded that it is this unyielding resolve that shapes our path, a legacy of courage and perseverance. As we ascend above the river, the spirit of Sisu carries us higher, a force as constant as the land beneath. It's the quiet strength that endures through every challenge, the heartbeat of a Finland that rises above, unwavering and resolute, with its legacy written in the skies. In silence, we remember those who gave everything for Finland. Their sacrifice echoes through the ages, forever honored in the heart of this land. Forests to the quiet rivers, the essence of Sisu flows through every part of Finland, a force that has guided this nation through its darkest hours and brightest days. Here, where history and nature meet, we honor the past and look to the future with the same quiet determination that has always defined us. This is Finland, a land where the legacy of courage and strength remains steady, carried forward by those who never waver, who stand firm in the face of all that comes. As we pull back from this moment, we carry these memories with us, knowing that the spirit of this place endures, everlasting and strong.